Hey y'all, so here I am today. I'm just giving y'all a little tutorial on how I install my U-Part wig I got from LUVME Hair. And here I'm just showing you some of the items that come in the package. I'll leave those in the description box so you know everything that I received. And here I am just taking the hair out of the package, and it is very soft, and I've been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks now, and I've colored it since then black because it comes like a natural brown, and it's been holding up well. I have like no shedding whatsoever, but I'm just showing you inside the clips that come with it, and little black strap that's at the top. You're going to cut that off because that is just there to, for packaging. You don't wear it in your hair like that. So I'm just going through brushing it, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that strap off like I said. Now mind you, my hair was a mess underneath. It had not been brushed or combed for a while before this video, and I'm not going to braid it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and just brush into a low pony, and I'm actually parting out the hair that I'm going to leave out, which is like a U-part shape or horseshoe shape at the top of my head, and I'm going to leave out a little bit of my side. Sorry, I'm feeding Layla. So I'm just going ahead and entering some clips on how my hair looks usually, how I wear it. A silk press, or that's just how I wear it when I'm not wearing a wig. I just got back into the wig game, but I'm just showing you all how my hair looks, so don't judge me for how it looks right now, okay? I'm just adjusting the straps here. They are, my head is small and this wig is kind of large, so I'm trying to get as tight as possible without giving me a headache. And let's go ahead and put it on like a hat. And the clips are very tight, but it's secure. And that's the flat iron that came in the package that they sent. And the flat iron was garbage. It did not do anything for my hair. So I don't know, like, if I wanted like a natural blowout look, that's how it would look with just a blow dry. But I had to switch over to my Solano, which is my thing. And all my clients know that is the stuff right there. So I'm just going in, straightening my leave out a little bit to help it blend. And then I'm going to go in and put some curls in. I absolutely love this hair. I think it blends really well with my hair. I do want to get a kinky texture wig to make it blend a little bit more so I don't have to put heat on my hair as often. But yeah, there I am playing with the bang. I love a bang. And this U-Part wig looks perfect with the bang, or even if you have a little side part or whatever. It just blends nicely. I just love the way it looks. Looks full. Looks like I have a fresh sew-in. Okay. Just gotta get those edges together. It is so hard trying to, slick down natural hair, especially 4C hair, because nothing works. Wax, gel, edge control, nothing. So I've learned to just flow with it. Especially in this Georgia heat, I'm not, trying to do the most. So there I am, playing with it, but it didn't even last really. But I'm feeling too cute. So let me know if y'all rock U-Part wigs. I'll do another video, with me installing it again, maybe in real time. But I'm loving it. I was really feeling myself. My husband was feeling it. My kids, like, you can't tell me nothing. Who is she? Okay. Stiff wear. So much body bounce. The curls last. Looks so good. I'm gonna get up right now and straighten my hair. It is so freaking cute, you guys. I love it. But thank y'all for watching. And again, I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got, and I'll leave them in the description. Okay, see y'all next time.